Staring out into the blue on a dreamboat setting sail. Spinning a Grimm's Brothers yarn to catch a fairy by the tail. Barking a fable, out in a song, Ruffus the dog, get along. As long as I'm able, as long as they write, Ruffus the dog will recite. Get along, little Ruffus, get along, little Ruffus. This mooch has got get go on this here puppy show. Yeah.
Oh, hi there. How you? Oh, look at that. I found a penny. That's good luck, you know. Yep, a lucky penny's a good thing to have. Well, money can always come in handy, but I'm not greedy about it like some people are. Yeah, some people just can't get enough money. They want more and more and more until... Well, there's a good story about that, actually. It was around here a minute ago. Oh, look, more loose change. Oh, there it is. Good. Yep, this is the story of King Midas. Once upon a time, a long time ago, there lived a king named King Midas. Now, King Midas was a very good king, but he was also a very greedy king. I'm rich! I'm the richest man in the entire kingdom! I've got more gold and jewels than you can shake a stick at! Oh, I've even got a gold stick to shake, see? Oh, shake, 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 shake! I'm rich! So nice to be the king and be surrounded by my family and my friends.
Yeah, we like you too, Daddy.
Thank you, my dear, sweet, darling daughter, Charity. You mean more to me than anything else in the whole wide world.
Aw, shucks.
But that wasn't really quite true. While King Midas did love his daughter, the Princess Charity, he loved something else even more. He loved gold. Having more gold than he could shake his golden stick at was not enough for the greedy King Midas. He wanted more. I want more!
More, Your Majesty?
Yes, Burlap, I want more.
More what?
More what? More what? Oh, what more could anyone ask for? More gold, of course.
Oh, but Your Majesty, you already have more gold than you can shake a stick at.
Yes, and it's a gold stick, too.
Very nice.
Thank you, but it's not enough. I want more gold. Fetch me more gold.
Yes, Your Majesty. Yes.
Yes, King Midas was so greedy that even all the gold in the kingdom wasn't enough.
That's good.
I
nice.
see.
Yes.
Is that it, then?
Is this... Oh, but Your Majesty, this is all the gold in the kingdom. This is all the gold in the next kingdom, and even the kingdom beyond that. It's all the gold from the kingdoms, the republics, the democracies, oligarchies, tyrannies, even the local bingo hall. King Midas, that's all the gold there is. There is no more.
Oh, poppycock and balderdash.
Daddy, watch your language.
Sorry, my dear, but I just do not have enough gold.
But, Father, look around you. All the gold in the world is piled up to the rafters and flowing out the windows. You have gold filling up the garage, gold crammed in the kitchen, gold stuffed in the bedroom, even gold blocking the bathroom. Some of this gold has got to go.
Yes, and so do I.
Oh, but there must be more gold for me to shake my royal gold stick at.
Well, what are you going to do with more gold?
Well, I'll put it on top of my old gold. Use it for a doorstop. Sit on it.
Excuse me?
Oh, sit on it. Hey, now there's a good idea. I want a gold throne to sit on. This shabby old wooden throne just won't do anymore. I want gold. More gold. Gold! There was just no reasoning with King Midas. He wanted more gold and would stop at nothing to get it. I just don't believe I have all the gold in the world. There must be a way for me to get more gold. I just love the way it shines in the light and the way it feels when I touch it. Hey, there's an idea. Wouldn't it be perfect if I could change things into gold with just a touch of my hand? Oh, how I wish it were so. Now, as you know, we must all be careful when making wishes because they just might come true. And that night, King Midas made his wish upon the brightest star in the night sky. And in the morning, when King Midas awoke, he discovered something amazing. What the? My pillow! It's turned to gold! And my bed sheets! They're gold too! Even my pajamas have turned to gold! Oh, even the flap in the back. I tell you, Burlap, it was astonishing. Gold bed sheets, Gold pillows, thank you. Even my favorite gold pajamas.
The ones with the flap in the back?
A very useful feature. All of them had changed into gold. Now, how do you suppose that happened?
I have no idea.
Burlap, did you see that?
See what, Your Majesty?
Look at my toast. It's gold.
Oh, yes, Your Majesty. The royal cook has once again baked for you the finest bread, toasted to perfection until it's a lovely golden brown.
Burlap, no. Not golden brown. Gold, real gold, see?
A gold toast? How is this possible?
Well, I don't know. All I did was touch it, like this.
Egad, a gold egg? How can this be?
Don't you see? My wish came true.
Wish? What wish?
Last night, I made a wish upon the brightest star that I could change anything into gold just by touching it.
Oh, dear.
My wish came true! My wish came true!
Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh!
Gold books! Gold candles! A gold flower! My throne! A gold throne! I finally have a gold throne! Oh, not the most comfortable piece of furniture in the castle, but it's gold! Ouch.
Princess Charity, Your Highness, something awful has happened.
Oh, what is it, Burlap?
This.
Uh-huh. Oh, thanks, Burlap, but I've seen enough gold already.
Oh, well, you'll be seeing a lot more, Your Highness. Your father, King Midas, made a wish upon a star last night.
Oh, a wish? What did he wish?
Well...
My wish came true! My wish came true! Oh, let's see now, let's see. Gold bricks. Gold bush. Gold tree.
Father, Burlap told me what happened.
Yes, it's true. Isn't it wonderful?
Wonderful? Oh, Daddy, don't you realize what this means?
Of course I do, my darling daughter. It means I can have all the gold I want. All I have to do is touch something and it turns into gold. Oh, Burlap, isn't it just the best thing in the whole wide world? What the?
Oh, Father, look what you've done. Oh, you turned poor Burlap into gold. Oh, dear, what are you going to do?
Well, I suppose we could park him on the lawn next to the garden gnomes.
Oh, Daddy, this has to stop. You're becoming too greedy.
Oh, there, my darling daughter. Please don't cry. Everything will be all... Uh-oh. Charity? You in there? Charity! Oh, no. What have I done? I've turned my poor darling daughter into gold. She's very pretty and very shiny, but she's gold. Oh, Charity, can you hear me? Burlap? Somebody? Isn't there anybody? Poor King Midas. His wish came true. Everything he touched turned to gold. Everything he owned turned to gold. Everyone he loved turned to gold.
Everything's turning out gold. Not quite the way I foretold. So it seems that all along I had it wrong. I thought you're worth what you own. But it's my heart that's become precious stone. Woe by me, a fortune stole. The whole is some that I can't hold. My fortune's told. Speak to me, say this is not for none. Don't say I can't undo what I've done. Hear me out, I wish I could take it back. This gold has turned me blue, and I'm fading to black. Please, please, please come back. Please make light of gold before everything starts to unfold.
I'm so sorry, Charity. I was such a greedy fool. I don't love gold anymore. I can't stand the sight of it. I want you back the way you were. But what can I do? Oh, I wish I could change things and just make all this gold go away.
What happened? Father?
Can it be? Charity, are you all right?
Oh, I think so. Yep.
Oh, Charity, oh, I thought I'd lost you forever. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll never be so foolish and greedy ever again. Can you ever forgive me?
Oh, yes, Daddy. I forgive you. But what about Burlap?
My goodness, poor old Burlap is still solid gold. Yo, Burlap, snap out of it.
What? Where? How? Oh, King Midas, Princess Charity. What happened?
Well, it's a long story, Burlap, but it has a happy ending.
It does?
Because we're gonna get rid of all this gold. We're gonna give it away.
Give it away?
You betcha. I'm the king, and that makes me rich and powerful. I don't need any more gold. In fact, I don't need any gold. Just having the love of my friends and family makes me rich beyond my wildest dreams.
Aw, shucks.
Yeah, there are lots of other people who could use all this gold. Let's give it to them and help make their lives better. What do you say?
Oh, bravo,
Daddy,
Your
so
Majesty.
proud of you.
Capital
That's
idea.
terrific. All right.
And so it was that greedy King Midas became generous King Midas. He and Charity worked to give away the gold to all those who really needed it.
Public library, check. Public park, check. Public housing, check. Public washrooms, definitely. Healthcare, childcare, who cares? Give it all away.
Well, that about does it. All the gold is gone, except for my golden throne. I think I'll keep this.
Really? Why?
Well, because it's so uncomfortable to sit on. This golden throne will always serve as a reminder of how foolish and greedy I was, so that I will never make the same mistake ever again. Well, that's hard on my butt.
But what about your gold stick?
Here, give it to Burlap. He deserves a bonus.
Oh, Father, I'm so proud of you.
Aw, shucks. Ooh, sheesh. Oh, maybe I should get a pillow for this thing.
Oh, now, Daddy, you said you
just
wanted
a
to keep
small
this
pillow,
throne
a tiny
to remind
one.
you
Just under my tail.
about
This is
how...
a hard chair. Oh, come on. The end. And that ends the story of King Midas. Yeah, it's nice to have lots of money and stuff, but if you haven't got friends and family, what good is it, huh? Ooh, what's that? Oh, my lucky penny. I must have been sitting on it. You know what? I feel lucky just to be here in the bookshop and to have friends like you come by to visit. I'm gonna leave this penny here for somebody else to find. Maybe it'll bring them good luck too. Thanks for dropping by, and always remember, only rich men have piles of gold. Bye.